Hello everyone, this is the second video of today. Today I'm showing you guys some pretty good ways on organizing Beyblade X. So yeah, let's get into it. Just thank you to everyone that subscribed and viewed my videos. I've gotten 936 views, and my top content's a short that got 467 views. So thank you to everyone that actually looked at my videos. I greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you. Anyways, on to the video. Okay, so we're on a different angle now. So yeah. Anyways, video. So I have my string launcher. I also have Ripcore launchers just stored in a small little plastic bin or in something. So Beyblade X. So my chosen storage for my Beyblade X is separate from my burst storage, which is these three cases. There's also a small little one behind it, and also Union Achilles with Extend Plus. So yeah, that's my burst storage, which are cases. Cases are a good option if you have a large collection, because it can store a lot of Beyblades, a lot of parts. Now, for smaller collections such as X, I'm using a bin, a small Tupperware container. I got this in 2022 during COVID. I used to store masks in them. So, I labeled them with bit, ratchet, and blade. Okay, if you don't know, a bit is the bottom part of a Beyblade X bay. Now, a bit determines the Beyblade X bay's burst resistance. If it has a bit with high burst resistance, I don't know if I can get out of the shadow, is something that has a part here on the shaft, so most attack bits. Some low resistance, like ball, doesn't have that bit. So yeah, I have low, flat, and ball over here. I put them in the top drawer. They just sit there. It's probably the least space-consuming part of Beyblade X. The next part that I have is the ratchet. The ratchets is also a key factor in how exactly your Beyblade performs, how it hits, its burst resistance. So, a ratchet consists of two parts. The white piece, the central part, and the edge. The edge is what other Beyblades will hit, and when it twists to the opposite direction. So if it's a right spin Beyblade, if you hit it to the right, this part here, if I hold down, should be able to shift. So basically, it'll shift this way to the right, and it will cause it to fall apart. Now, so with the bits, similar to that. So example, 960 is probably one of the best ratchets because it has the smallest amount of points that you can hit, so it has a greater burst resistance. But it doesn't have the same weight or spread as 460. So it's 460. Except 460 is probably except anything that's like a square. Beyblade X ratchets are one of the worst ratchets because they just have because it's really high chance of hitting those stubs and causing it to burst. Finally, the blade. I start at the bottom because it's metal. Let's grab Phoenix Wing. Phoenix Wing is the heaviest Hasbro Beyblade. It comes with the string launcher in a set, as well as 960 and low flat and gear flat. Phoenix Wing, the example. If you want the QR code, you can take it. It's right there. So it has a metal. So the blade is the part that makes contact with most other Beyblades. So once you use it for a while, if it'll focus, you can see as it wears down most of the paint, because painted blades will wear down over time and the paint will get scratched off. But blades that are silver don't have to worry about this. For example, this is Drawn Dagger. So for this representation, we're going to use Drawn Sword, the very first Beyblade X. This is basically the Valtryek or the Pegasus of this line. Pegasus from the Metal series and Valtryek from the Burst series, so the series I talked about beforehand. So we have a blade. Okay, stop it from glaring. So as you can see, we have this insert. Now in this video, I'll also teach you about how to put them together, so I'll teach you. If you want the QR code, go ahead. Focus. Come on. Focus. Okay, if you can use it, sure. Go ahead. Anyways, so yeah. So we have Drawn Sword as the blade. The blade, as I said with Phoenix Wing, is what makes contact, which is usually what makes contact, which is why during a Beyblade X battle you hear metal contact. So they spin very fast. So the 3 bits connect to the launcher. The launcher's 3 prongs. Once you twist, so you line up and you twist until you feel some resistance. Do not twist it any farther, or else it causes clicks, which can grind the gears of a Beyblade X. Okay, anyways, I'll go create a combo and I'll show you guys. And I'm back. So I'm going to now show you guys exactly how to assemble Beyblades. So, well, Beyblade X that is. If you want me to do a burst, it's already on my channel. I might do a part 2 though. Anyways, so I'm gonna do the Drawn Dagger stock combo. So, Drawn Dagger, Drawn Sword. Drawn Sword. Okay, so Drawn Sword stock combo. Sorry, excuse me for my shortness of breath. But we have flat with high burst resistance, as you can see by the thicker shaft. 360, 3 points of contact, and 60 height. So, yeah. Blade. Drawn Dagger. Now, once I assemble it, now there's also a thing known as weight shifting. So, if you see these points of contact, as you can see, you can either put it so it's here, so once you turn it, it aligns here, or you could put it at a spot where it aligns with a larger part so you can get better smash attacks. Anyways, now, in order to assemble it, so you take the white bit. Now, there's actually a way to determine whichever is right spin. So there's right arrow, left arrow. The right arrow, if it's right spin, you want to align with that. So, you take that. You take the, basically, literally outline on the blade. The outline of it, on it. You fit it in, and you twist, if it's right spin, but I'm assuming it's going to be right spin. You twist to the left. It's left spin, you twist to the left. You take your bit, you stick it in, and you can twist it, and it should make a click. When you go to the front, the gear motif will spin when you spin it. So it should spin. Okay, so I'm gonna create another combo real quickly. I'm gonna do Drawn Sword, Drawn Dagger. Also go for 62, and I'll go with the white version of Taper. Now, let's battle it too. Okay, so I literally put the camera on the shelf itself. So anyways, two right spin attack types. Well, I guess Drawn Dagger would technically be a balance type. So yeah, okay, I'll launch Drawn Sword first. I'll do another video explaining the rules of Beyblade. Okay, Drawn Dagger takes the first point. 1-0, survivor finish. Sorry if the lighting isn't very good. Okay, I'll launch Drawn Dagger first. 3, 2, 1, 2. No, fall for launcher. 2 points for Drawn Sword. And that puts Drawn Sword in the lead, because each round goes for 4 points. Okay, so I changed sides so you can see the battle a little bit better. Okay, launch Drawn Sword now. You hold this data down, I'm gonna shake it. Sorry if you can't hear me. Okay, it's 2-2. Okay, so it's 2-2. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of in the shadows, so I might have to do another video with more battles. I don't know, let me know. Anyways. Hits him on the road, kind of hard to tell because he's going so fast. Hits Drawn Dagger, has more stamina, but will he prevail with attack? Nope, and Drawn Sword has 3 points. Takes that round with a survivor finish. 3-2. Final round for if Drawn Sword gets the 2 points. No. And Drawn Dagger takes this point. They're very evenly matched. So Drawn Dagger's got 3 points and Drawn Sword has 3 points, which means that whoever wins this match wins it all. Drawn Sword will be launched first. Drawn Sword taking a heavy hit, and the winner with a survivor finish, and is crowned the winner, is the one, the only Drawn Dagger. Drawn Dagger. Anyways, this is me signing off. Thank you for everything. Goodbye.